All right, let's see what's inside this Peoplebox box. The packaging looks sleek, already feeling excited. Let's open it up. What surprises await remote teams? Wow, the branding is super professional and inviting. Here's the Peoplebox dashboard on my laptop screen. First impression? Clean interface, easy navigation. Peoplebox is designed for remote team engagement. It also streamlines performance management processes. I'm logging in as a team manager right now. The onboarding is smooth, no confusion at all. Setting up a new team takes just minutes. I love how intuitive the menu options are. Let's check out the employee engagement features. Pulse surveys are quick to launch, very customizable. I can track real-time feedback instantly. Anonymous responses encourage honest input from everyone. Now onto performance management, my favorite part. Goal setting is seamless, with clear progress tracking. I can align team goals with company objectives easily. Performance reviews are automated, saves so much time. There's a cool one-on-one meeting scheduler built in. I can add talking points and action items directly. The analytics dashboard gives actionable insights instantly. Engagement metrics are visualized with colorful graphs. I'm impressed by the recognition and reward system. Shoutouts boost morale. Remote teams really need this. Notifications keep everyone updated without being overwhelming. Integrate smoothly with Slack and Google Workspace. No more juggling multiple tools for HR tasks. Security features are robust. Data privacy is prioritized. Mobile app works flawlessly for on-the-go managers. Customer support is responsive. Live chat helped instantly. Exclusive AppSumo deal makes this a no-brainer. Honestly, I wish I'd found Peoplebox sooner. Remote teams will see engagement skyrocket with this. HR pros. This will simplify your entire workflow. Managers, tracking performance has never been easier. If you're struggling with remote team alignment, try it. But if you're not remote, it's less relevant. For remote-first companies, Peoplebox is a game changer. Ready to boost your team? Check AppSumo for deals. Grab Peoplebox now before the exclusive offer ends.